In this video, I am going to show you how to install the Clang compiler to run on your Ubuntu machine. Let's head over to the terminal and see how to exactly do that. Here is our terminal. And the first thing you can do is to search the apt packages to see what Clang compilers are available. To do that, you do sudo apt cache search. And you can specify the keyword for what you are looking for. We want Clang in this case. And I am going to pipe this through less. To be able to scroll through this easily, I am going to put in my password here. And you see we have Clang 10. I think if we keep scrolling, we will find Clang 12, which is the best I can do in terms of Ubuntu here. Let's keep going. And again, you should do this regularly to see if you don't have any new versions of Clang you can use. You can see we have Clang 12 and it is a C++ and Objective-C compiler and we can use it. So we want to install Clang 12 here, and this is going to both give us a C and C++ compiler. Let's hit Q to get out of this, and now that we know that Clang 12 is available, we can do sudo apt get install Clang 12, and this is going to install it if you don't have it already installed. After you run this command, Clang is going to be installed on your computer, and to find where the binary is, you can cd into user bin, and if we ls in here and look for Clang, we are going to find a Clang compiler. Let's go to C and see if we can find Clang. I think we can find it. We have Clang++ 12 and we have Clang 12. Clang++ is a C++ compiler. Clang 12 is a C compiler. And we can ask Linux which versions we have installed. Let's hop over back in my user directory. And we can say Clang 12. Clang++ 12. I think this is the command. -12 and tell it to spit out the version. This is a bit redundant because we have a 12 here, but we know exactly which version we have. So Clang version 12.00, and the target is this, and you can see where it is installed. Clang is nice in that it tells us where it is living. We can ask the version of the C compiler, Clang-12 version. Okay, it is going to spit this out. And this proves that we have Clang installed and we can start using it to build C++ applications on our Linux machine here. I am going to stop here in this lecture because this is really all I wanted you to see. We are going to hop over in the next one and show you how to connect Visual Studio Code to use our Clang compiler to build C++ 20 applications. Go ahead and finish up here and meet me in the next lecture.